Good morning, welcome to the channel. We got a lot of rain last night, as you can see. It's very wet down here. Looks like we're gonna have to put it in four-wheel drive. Going to have to bring a couple sheets of plywood today because this customer's house has some walkway stones that are sunk into the grass and the weight of the machine could crack them, so just in case. And we definitely got quite a lot of rain. And this is a black walnut tree today that'll be getting taken down. Time for me to start on stump grinding. Okay, that should be good. That was a black walnut stump. There's one more to do. And for this stump right here, this was actually placed there, so it's not actually grown into the ground. So I just need to grind this one out just down to ground level, and we'll spread out the mulch. that went pretty easy actually. I did hit a little bit of a rock over here it seems, but other than that, that's good. All right, let's clean up and we'll go home. Okay, so that's going to pretty much do it for this video. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. More videos coming soon, and we'll see you next time.